So after our conversation in the Synaptics booth, we've just come over here again in Synaptics, and something has caught my eye. And it is the Katana board that's being developed by Synaptics, which basically is a product that's designed to provide video over battery power. So tell us a bit about what's going on.
Yeah, sure. This product's called Katana. It's a product we've designed to do an amount of AI at the edge. The idea being, having enough capability to do something interesting, yet a device can run on battery potentially for years, even though it's a really small battery. Now, this is a great idea because it could be, for example, as a security camera, it could be triggered by something that happens.
So you don't need to put cabling in if you install it somewhere, basically?
No, it could be unobtrusive, a small device, and you could put it somewhere, it will last long enough on batteries to be useful. I'd say in the camera application, it could be triggered by an event, like let's say a PIR or noise. It will then turn on the camera, and it will analyze the video locally on the chip to determine is it people or pets or whatever it is you're looking for. It's not streaming off into the cloud for analysis. It's going to analyze it locally, and then based upon what it finds, it could then send you a message to say, hey, look, this has happened. There's a burglar, there's a
badger.
or a badger. Okay. Let's not go there.
No.
And then you could take action. So,
and that sounds really beneficial in the modern world of IoT because of the numerous security concerns that are coming out with devices like cameras that are stuck in people's homes, constantly streaming whatever it sees.
Yeah, and also on top of that, it's power efficient to only stream that content when there's something meaningful to be seen, rather than having your app triggering you for so many things.
And one thing you mentioned as well is that you said you could have a PIR sensor that triggers a system. So the only energy you're consuming is just the PIR sensor, and then once it triggers, it then boots the camera up, and then takes a picture, and then closes the camera back down. So you're saving a lot of energy.
Yep. And then it's analysing the frame or number of frames or video locally to decide what, if anything, you need to do about that. That could be turning on the Wi-Fi chip and then streaming that content off to wherever you need it to go.
That's absolutely fantastic. Well, again, thank you very much for taking the time.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks,
guys.
Thank you.